Good morning, class. How's your day? That's good to hear. Let's now take a moment to pray. Mr. Nakar, can you lead the prayer? Amen. Thank you so much. Secretary, who's absent for today? Great job, everyone. Before you sit, kindly check all the letters under your chair and sit properly. You may now sit. Let's have now recapitulations. So what is the last topic that we discussed last meeting? Anyone in this class? That's right. What is tenses of verbs again? Excellent. Give yourself a 3 big claps. That's right. Tenses of verbs shown when actions happen. So the present tense is for actions now. For example, is I eat. And for the past tense is for the actions that already happened. The example is she played. For the future tense is for the actions that will happen. For instances is we will go. And for the present continuous is for the action happening right now. For example, is he is reading. Past continuous is for actions happening at the specific past time. For example, is they were playing. And for the last is the future continuous is for actions that will be happening. For the example is she will be working. So, excellent. Give yourself 3 big claps for a good recapitulations. And before we dive to our discussions for today, here is the objectives. The first one is identify key events, characters, and themes from the story How's My Brother Leon Brought Home a Wife through matching type activity. The second one, apply what they have learned by creating a podcast and presenting interpretations on what Maria might felt during her journey in rural setting. The last is design a map of Maria's journey by drawing a symbolic icon and colors that represents the plot and key themes of the story. So before we start, let's have a simple and a fun activity. So this activity is titled Hello New World. So here's the instructions. So the instructions, in this activity, write a letter to a friend or classmate describing what you will feel about when your friends or classmate moving into another place that is different to the environment that they used to live. In your letter, include 5 things that you think will be the challenge about adjusting to a new surroundings. You will be given 5 minutes to write your letter. Write it on one half crosswise of a yellow paper and a pen. So, you may now start our activity. Time's up. So, our topic for today is all about the story of how my brother Leon brought home a wife. It is an iconic and timeless Filipino story by Manuel E. Arguila. This piece presents a powerful portrayal and theme of love, family, acceptance, and differences between urban and rural life. So, before we dive to the story or dun sa mismong story, let's have the background of the author. So, How's My Brother Leon Brought Home a Wife? The author's full name was Manuel E. Arguila, or his full name is Manuel Estrella Arguila. He is born in June 17, 1911 in Nagrebtan, Bawang, La Union. His education is he studied in University of the Philippines, major in education. So his notable work is How My Brother Leon Brought Home a Wife. which is the topic that we are going to tackle today. Also, his writing style focused on a rural life, vivid imagery, and the Filipino culture. His career is he is a writer, a teacher, and editor of a literary apprentice. So, what is his role in World War II is a resistance member against Japanese occupation. So, he died executed in the Japanese forces in 1944 for his underground work. Let's now dive to the main story of our discussion for today. So, here is the story of how my brother brought home a wife. But before we tackle the story, this story is a point of view of Leon's brother, which is the brothers of the main character. So here's the first slide. My brother Leon came home from the city, bringing his wife Maria to our village. I was the one chosen to meet them and drive them home using our bull Laban. So, yung brother daw ni Leon is siya yung napagutusan na sunduin yung mag-asawa from na nanggaling pa sa city, which is sa Manila pa. And when Maria stepped down from the cart, she smiled at me warmly. So, Maria was beautiful, kind, and smiled when she met me. She was graceful and looked elegant. Even she, with her simple dress, and she greeted me kindly and didn't act proud, even though she came from the sea. So, here's the third slide, which Maria was nervous at first, but she gently petted our big bull Laban. At first, she looked a little scared of Laban because she was so big and long and has rather a curved horns. So si Maria daw ay takot nung una when she met Laban, which is the bull na ang alaga ng family nila Leon. Because sa sobrang laki ng kanyang horns o kanyang sungay and sa sobrang laki daw nito. But she soon touched his forehead gently and even started scratching him, which made Laban calm. So, Leon helped Maria in the cart, and we started the ride home through the fields. My brother placed their trunks in the cart, helped Maria get in, and then we rode through the fields under the golden lights of the setting sun. So, si Leon daw, tinulungan daw niya si Maria na umakyat dun sa cart na binubuhat ng kanilang bull, which is si Laban. So, instead of the main road, I looked the river path just like the father told me to. Instead of going through the main road, I took a different path through the dry river bed. It was rough and quiet, but father had told me to take that route. He wanted to see how Maria would react to the countryside. So, imbis daw na dumaan sila Maria, si Leon, and ang kanyang kapatid sa maayos na daan o sa main road, mas pinili daw niyang dumaan dun sa malubak at mahirap na daanan because it was just like his father told to him, just to challenge or to see kung paano nga ba ano ba ang mga gagawin ni Maria sa kanilang daan papunta sa bahay nila Leon. So, I have a question. What do you think will Maria react and say after realizing that they will go to a different route, knowing that Maria is used to walk in a city? Or sa mas madaling salita, ano yung sa tingin nyo yung mararamdaman o yung sasabihin ni Maria nung kapag nalaman niya and nakita niya na mahirap yung daan pauwi sa bahay nila Leon? So, anyone here can answer my question? Yes, Miss Takutako?